Yeah, no doubt. We were here last night covering it. We got the Fox 2 Weather Beast in the Williamston Township area really not that long after that tornado came.
A shocking and deadly tornado just tore through south central Michigan, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. And what happened next changed everything. An intense tornado hit the towns of Union City and Three Rivers in south central Michigan, causing significant damage and destruction. The tornado struck about 25 miles east-southeast of Kalamazoo, hitting Union City, and then continued on to the town of Three Rivers, causing additional damage. Authorities are still assessing the full extent of the destruction. What does this mean for you and your community? Powerful tornadoes can devastate local areas, causing loss of life, property damage, and disruption to critical infrastructure. This is a stark reminder of the importance of disaster preparedness and staying vigilant during severe weather events. Subscribe for daily news updates. New video every day.